Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to pass your user testing. So firstly, what you have to do is just simply complete all the verification process like verifying your email address, PayPal account and updating your profile. And make sure to write everything in your profile very accurately and correctly, like what you like, what type of consoles you have, whatever devices you have. Make sure to write them very carefully and as truthfully, because the questions that will be asked to you will be related to the form that you will fill up on your profile. Now, after you've completed all the three options and they have written done at the top, now what you will do is click on take practice test. Now, wait for a few seconds. To complete the practice test, you can just simply play the video and see what you have to do, or you can just simply read down over here. So you can just simply read down over here, like for example, the first one, for each task, read the question out loud and speak your thoughts clearly. Second one, don't rush through the task. Third one, there is no wrong answers, just give your honest opinion. And over here, your screen will be recorded and you will be needing two different tabs. So just simply open one other and place it behind the original one. Now click on next. So as you can see right over here, it will need our microphone access and our screen access, as you can see right over here. So click on share access. Now it will ask for a screen and microphone. So first allow microphone. Now give access of your screen. So choose screen. Now if you have a single monitor setup, you will only see the main monitor. And if you have a multiple monitor setup, just simply choose a browser monitor, as you can see right over here. Then click on share. Now as you can see, our screen have been captured and the recording is now almost start. So now to start the test, all you have to do is just simply click on next. Now it will check your sound quality over here. So all you have to do is just simply speak, I'm ready to think out loud. You can change your microphone over here if you have multiple. After that, click on next. Now as you can see over here, you will find that you have to keep both of the tabs over here open. So after that, click on next. The recording is about to start. So these are a few key points that you have to keep in mind. Now over here, there are a few instructions that you have to follow. Like the first one, speak your thoughts out loud as you do the task. As you do each task, then the second one, find a quiet place to take the test. So make sure to turn off your air conditioner or fan, whatever can make noise in your room. And in the end, minimize any application or browser where your private information can get leaked. So just simply remove that from the recording tab. As you can see, there is nothing on my tab right now. Now just simply click on start recording. Now give it a few seconds. So as you can see right over here, you have to search for article. Now click on open test page. So the article that you have to find is called protecting your privacy while testing. So just simply copy this if you want to. Now all you have to do is click on next. Now spend at least 1 to 2 minutes reading the section about what information you should never share. So let's go and read that. So for that, just simply search for the information on the tab that was opened. So search for it and you will get the article. So over here you can also see that the article is right over here. So click on it. Now this is the protecting your privacy while testing article. So over here, read this article for at least 1 to 2 minutes. So most importantly, read the most important parts that might be asked in the next question. Like for example, some example of sensitive personal information are medical information, including treatment or health history or anything related to organs, political opinions, religion or psychological beliefs. So there is also important article down below as well. Like, is there any information that I should never share? So over here will be given a list. So for example, credit card number, driving license number, car loan number, personal finance account number, your passport, your account password, social security number, your specific genetic information or your biometric identification or your health plan account or beneficiary number. So never share any of these personal information with anyone while you're testing on user testing. Or over here you can also see what if a customer asks you to make a purchase. So you will also see the information about here as well. So in any case, what you have to do is you should never make a purchase with your own information while testing. So that's it. Now after you've read the entire article over here, just simply go back to the main testing page and click on next. Now the question that is asked to us is, according to the article you just found, which of the following information is never safe to share? So there are few options over here. So the first option and the most logical options to me is the financial account number. So if you go back over here and scroll up, you'll find there is the option of personal financial account number, as you can see right over here. And there is no option of email address, phone number or home address. So as you can see, there are no options like that over here. So this is the most logical one, financial account number. So just simply click on next. Now the next question is task 4 and the article that we have to find is contributor code of conduct, and we have to spend again 1 to 2 minutes reviewing the important details in that particular article. Copy this or just simply go back, then you should find that article right over here, as you can see. So click on it. Now just simply spend at least 2 to 3 minutes over here regarding all the necessary information, like your account information that you have to fill. So as a user tester contributor, you agree to only create an account if you're at least 18 years old, create only one user testing account. Now, not allow anyone else to share your user testing account, provide accurate up-to-date information on your profile, make sure that the location listed on your profile is where you live most of the time. Now next, use only one PayPal account that belongs to only you and not someone else. Now lastly, refrain from taking tests while traveling outside your country listed on your profile. So keep all of that in mind. that for some safety and respect part, not engage in any harassment or intimidation of user testing employees or customers. Be mindful of what you do on the webcam. So what I mean is just simply look good when you are on webcam using the user tester. And the next option is never share your customer information or material you're given access to while testing. So don't ever give anything related to the customer that you are just doing the user testing for. Now, avoid any dangerous or risky behavior while taking the user testing. So make sure to keep all of that in mind. Now in the end, over here, what are the things that you have to keep in mind while you're doing testing? So provide honest responses to the screen, take your time during the test and follow test instructions, speak your thoughts out loudly when required, and don't use any AI generated responses or any AI content while you're testing. So as you can see, after we have completed the entire article, all you have to do is go back, click on next. Over here, it asked us name one important point that you remembered from the article. So there are several. So the first one is we have to be very behaved while we are on the webcam. We should never intimidate or harass any user testing employee or customer. We should never share crucial information of the customer or the files given access to us to anyone outside, and there are many more. So after that, just simply click on next over here, and in the end, the final thought. So just simply give final thoughts. My final thought is the questions that were asked in the user testing could have been much longer. So we could have elaborated more on a specific topic. So after you completed that, just simply click on stop recording. Now in the end, what you have to do is just simply give a simple answer over here. So over here, just simply give your advice or whatever you think will improve the experience. So in my opinion, nothing. It's good enough. Then just simply click on finish. And within a few days, you should pass the user testing. And after that, you will be good to go. So that's it. And thank you for watching. And do like, subscribe to our channel, and take care.